Alright, so I got this watch from Epic Deals, and I've been waiting 35 days or so for it. Pretty good deal. The picture looks awesome. It was like $25 plus shipping. Automatic watch. You had an option of gold colors, silver, or black. I chose the black because I don't have any black watches besides like G-Shocks and stuff, but figured it'd be kind of cool, nice little treat if not, and give it away as a prize or something. But came in some packaging like this, and let's see what we're getting here. This is the Watch Gang, not Watch Gang, sorry, no, this is not a Watch Gang watch. This is a watch from Epic Deals. They're advertising on Facebook like crazy. It says $24.95, but by the time you go ahead and pay shipping in that, it's like $35 or so. So bubble wrapped. Wrapped again. Oh, man. Looks decent so far. Wow. Okay. So far, so good. It's got some wrap around the thing here. It's a skeleton watch. The brand is Forcening, I guess. It says sport watch on it. That's kind of lame when a watch says sport watch, but it's nice looking. Has the automatic movement. Here's what it looks like. A little bit of glare right now. Pretty nice watch. The movement, it's sweeping, but it's got a little more of a tick to it than, say, a tag. Case back is clear. You can see that case back there. Not a bad looking watch for 35 bucks. See what it looks like on. Oh, it's got all this plastic on it. Let's get all that stuff off of there. Clasp feels a little light duty. This seems a little weak compared to, you know, something that you'd get in a luxury watch. Yeah, and these pins here that push in, they seem a little thin, and so does this. So the clasp, I guess it's not bad, it just seems a little thin. The bracelet looks pretty cool. It's glossy on the outside, and then kind of more of a, you know, matte finish on the inside, and the matte finish carries on to the clasp. You can hear it. I don't know if you can hear how noisy that bracelet is. Kind of light. But the watch itself has some decent heft to it. Let's put this on. If you're wearing this watch, nobody is going to see or feel how the bracelet is, but you know, other people aren't going to see it, but you're going to feel that the weight of this watch is super heavy on top, and the bracelet is rattly and whatnot on the bottom. You know, something a little higher quality, you wouldn't really see that, but you wouldn't notice that. But it's very noticeable here. But looks like it's, you know, it's shipped and it's working, and you know, we'll see how good of a time it keeps and whatnot. It doesn't look too bad on. It's a nice presentable timepiece for $35. You can't lose. Anyway, so yeah, that's from Epic Deals. It's advertised on Facebook, and that is the black one. Hopefully that's not too blurry there. Maybe take a link out of it, it won't be as rattly. Not bad. Anyway, hope that helps somebody out there making your decision to buy that watch. Have a great day.